Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to know how can you disable Meta AI in WhatsApp, today in this video I'll show you what you can do about it. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, we get something out of the way first. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and simply search for WhatsApp here, and make sure we have the app updated, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to run smoothly. Now let's quit from here and let's open the WhatsApp application. Of course, you have to be logged into your account. You find Meta AI right here in the chats and this button in the bottom. Now if you want to disable it, some accounts have this feature, so you tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on settings. So from settings you open chats, and then within chats, again, some accounts might have a toggle here that says disable Meta AI. I think that's a new feature, so it won't be able to find it in all accounts, and if you don't find it here, I'll show you what you can do about it later. For now, you can quit and go back to the chat screen, and what you need to do is to tap and hold on the Meta AI conversation, and of course tap on the delete icon in the top, and then once you delete it from here and you never access or open a conversation with Meta AI here again, it will never intervene or annoy you and chat you first. So what you can do about the first feature is tap here in the top right corner on those three dots and then go to settings, and then you go ahead and scroll down until you find something that says help or help and feedback. From here, go ahead and tap on Help Center. It should be the first feature in this screen. So go ahead and open Help Center and then tap on Contact Us in the bottom right corner. So basically this gives you a chat with their WhatsApp support team. You need to go ahead and tell them what's your issue and that you basically want to disable Meta AI, and they should get back to you with some really useful tips. Even if they find many people complaining about Meta AI here, they might add that button faster to many accounts. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you in future videos.